project is a very simple bird kite. And this project was actually inspired by the book Kite Flying by Grace Lynn. This book is a lovely book, very colorful, highly illustrated, and it's a book about family. And on one very blustery, windy day, the family decides that they want to take advantage of that wind, and they get together and make a dragon kite together as a family from scratch. They all gather the supplies, they work together as a team, and at the end, they go outside and they enjoy their finished product together as a family. This book can be checked out with our library to go curbside delivery. I'm Miss Cathie, so grab your scissors and glue and your other supplies, and let's get started on our craft. All right, my friends, so let's get started. So you take your sheet of paper and you fold it in half. And give it a good crease, just like so. Next, you're going to take this corner, the left top corner, and you want to bend it down towards the crease, just like that. And then while holding it, you're going to do the same to the other corner, but on the other side. And then give it a pinch right here in the middle. So it looks like that. And what you're going to do is take your stapler and you want to staple this little area together. So at this point, you might want to have a little bit of help. It's nice to have an extra hand. Let's give this. So there you go, it's stapled right there. Next step is you want to take your hole punch and punch a hole right next to the area where you stapled. Just like that. Just make sure that the hole does not go through the crease, and you want to make sure that the hole is through the paper but not through the crease. Now you get to decide what color you want the beak of your bird to be. And I'm going to go ahead and choose yellow. I don't need this much paper. So if you have scratch paper on hand that is yellow, that's great to use. I'm going to repurpose this yellow paper for a different craft. I'm just going to clip off a corner of my yellow paper, just like that. And you just want to go ahead and make a beak, whatever you think is best, so that it fits on the tip of your bird. So it's going to go right there. So I'm just cutting off this part. And I'm going to cut a triangle just from corner to corner. Grab your glue stick. Put some glue on your beak, the inside of that triangle, and glue it on to the tip of your bird. And this is going to have to sit up for a little bit because it is wet and tacky. Okay, now our almost last step is the tail. So I'm going to choose some green paper for my tail. You can also use crepe paper, you can use tissue paper, whatever you would like to do. If we use crepe paper, when this is blowing in the breeze, it looks really cool. So fold this in half, just like that. Then you want to cut some strips, not all the way to the crease. You want to leave some room there, and just a few. Just like that. And to make your tail just a little bit more interesting, you can take a pen or a pencil and very carefully hold on to the bottom part of this piece of paper, the strip of paper, and very carefully just pull the pen or pencil along the paper, and it will give it a little bit of a bend there. And it kind of gives it a little wiggly effect. Now I'm going to put some glue right here on the tail of my bird, and this is going to go right in here. Put that in here. Just press, press, press down. Just like so. Starting to look like a bird, isn't it? All right. Now we need some eyes for our bird. If you're here at the library, I would be giving you some googly eyes to put onto your bird. If you do not have googly eyes at home, that's totally fine. Just use some paper, use some crayons or markers, whatever you have on hand to make some eyes for your bird. Put the eye right there. Then he needs one on the other side. Press that down. Last step is the string. And you can choose whatever color string you want. I have some pretty yellow string here, so I'm going to cut off some string. And I'm going to have it from end to the other end of my string. I have glue on my hand. See, like this? Yeah, I'm going to take the part that is the loop. So this part. And I'm going to thread that through the hole that we punched in earlier. And once I pull that through, I have a nice loop. So I'm going to take this string, put it through, and pull all that string through. Bring it down. And now we have something to hold on to when we take our bird outside to fly it. So there we go. All right, my friends, here is our finished simple bird kite. Should we see if it flies? Okay, I don't have very much room back here, but we'll see. And of course, the longer the string you have, the further your kite is going to go. Let's see if it goes. Ah, it does. Look at there. Whoa, I just lost it. There we go. So you can take this in your backyard and run with it. Maybe attach it to the back of your bicycle and pedal, pedal, pedal as fast as you can and see how high you can get your bird kite to go. I hope you had as much fun making this craft as I did. Hope you found the hidden emoji in today's video. I am going to play with my kite a little bit more, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.